Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Whether Bangalore or Bengaluru, the cosmopolitan city of hustle bustle, IT hubs, pubs, awesome weather, diverse culture and traffic. With Bangalore comes many Bengalis and North Indians who are staying away from their hometown and miss their favorite festival, that is Durga Puja. This year, just like you, I am celebrating Durga Puja in Bangalore. From patriotism to eco-friendly themes, musical bands and many more cultural events. The preparation have begun for Durga Puja celebration, which is organized by various Bengali associations and will start on 20th October. Today in this video I am going to share the most visited and famous Durga Puja Pandals which you can visit with your family and friends, and I can assure you that this time you are not going to miss your hometown. I have divided this video into 3 parts: East, South and North Durga Puja Pandals with each location's QR code. In the description I have also attached the Excel sheet which consists of all the list of Durga Puja Pandals along with other important details. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and without any further delays, let's get started.